We had again a record year in 2013 for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, sold 3,630 cars. That is the fourth consecutive record year for us and also the highest ever sold units in the history of the marque. We are now selling Rolls-Royces in 40 countries all over the world, and we have seen growth patterns basically all over the world, particularly in Asian markets, but also very strong in the United States. It was our aim to achieve again a record year, as I stated in the beginning of last year. And one key criteria for this success is that we are nicely balanced all over the world. We are now selling cars in over 40 countries worldwide, and that helped a lot. On the other side, we also have a very strong product lineup, with Phantom flying very stable, Ghost being still very successful in all our markets, and with Wraith now coming online, that also helped to achieve that record result. The best growth we have seen in Asian markets, but particularly I was pleased to see again a proper growth in the Middle Eastern market, and also the United States was encouraging. The United States is coming back on track. I think China and the United States always had been our biggest markets worldwide, and that kept at basically the same level. What happened at the end of last year in December, that China took over the United States, but this is only some units. So you can say that the United States and China are basically on the same levels, both of them 28-29% of the total share of our volume. Middle East is a market which was very pleasing to see, particularly in the light of the booming economy also in those markets down there. So Middle East is again a very strong market for Rolls-Royce. We have established the bespoke business here on a level which is second to none, I must say. And we have also invested heavily into that. Last year we have hired an additional workforce of close to 50 people, just purely working on the bespoke side to really make sure that we can cope with the demand of our highly discerning customers. As we are growing, of course, we also need to invest into additional people, and that investment is not meant for just to being a pure investment, because I'm a true believer that once you have the best people on board, what we do have here, that is a big contributor for your overall success story. And for that reason, we are investing in people, of course. We definitely look into some niche markets in 2014. We are entering some middle markets in Africa. We are entering Nigeria. We are also entering Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan. As one example, we are also looking to further grow in some Asian markets. So there's still room for growth, but there's not an untapped potential anymore, like a big, huge market where we haven't been in. Der deutsche Markt hat sich für uns sehr, sehr erfreulich entwickelt. Seit der Einführung des Rolls-Royce Ghost sind wir von Jahr zu Jahr gewachsen. Und ich kann Ihnen sagen, dass mit dem neuen Modell Wraith wir noch weitere Wachstumspotenziale auch sehen werden im deutschen Markt. Das Ganze hat aber auch damit was zu tun, dass insbesondere im deutschen Markt dieses Gefühl für Handwerkskunst, für feinste Materialien, für individualisierte, auf den Kunden zugeschnittene Produkte einen großen Stellenwert genießt. Und das ist genau etwas, was Rolls-Royce hervorragend bedienen kann. Jedes unserer Autos ist unique. Und mit jedem unserer Fahrzeuge können Sie sich einen Traum erfüllen als Kunde, den es nur in dieser Form bei Rolls-Royce gibt. I expect 2014 to be a good year for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, and that is very much due to our product portfolio. We will see steady Phantom business. We will also see the new launched model Rolls-Royce Wraith being in full swing all over the world. I can tell you our order books are strong, so here I'm very confident. And in addition to that, we are launching in the beginning of this year an even more powerful version of our Ghost model called the Ghost V-Spec Edition. And with all these model initiatives, I'm very confident that we see again a good year for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars in 2014.